There is a legal way to invest money, let it grow for 30 years and pay zero taxes on the gains when you take it out. The IRS allows it. Congress passed it. Millions of Americans have access to it. Most of them aren't using it. This video is about the Roth IRA, what it is, why it's the most powerful tax advantage most people ignore, who qualifies, and exactly what to do to open one and start using it this week. First, what makes a Roth IRA different from a regular investment account? If you invest in a regular taxable brokerage account, a standard account at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab, you pay taxes on dividends each year and capital gains when you sell. After 30 years of growth, you pay taxes on the gains. On a $500,000 gain, that's potentially $75,000 to $100,000 in taxes owed. In a Roth IRA, the growth and withdrawals are tax-free. You put in after-tax dollars now, the money grows, and when you withdraw it in retirement, you pay nothing, not reduced, zero. The long-term math is striking. $200 per month invested in a Roth IRA starting at age 27, growing at 7% annually for 38 years, approximately $463,000. Federal tax on qualified Roth withdrawals, $0. The same $200 per month in a taxable account with the same returns, assuming a 15% capital gains tax on gains, roughly $369,000 after taxes. The Roth IRA generates $94,000 more, not from higher returns but from not paying taxes on the gains. The earlier you start, the larger this difference gets. Tax-free compounding over long periods is one of the most powerful forces in personal finance. Who qualifies? The Roth IRA has income limits. For 2026, to contribute the full amount, single filers, modified adjusted gross income, MAGI, below $150,000. Married filing jointly, MAGI below $236,000. If you earn more, the contribution limit phases out. If you earn more than $165,000 as a single filer or $246,000 as a married couple, you can't contribute directly. There's a strategy called the backdoor Roth for higher earners, but that's beyond this video. The 2026 contribution limit is $7,000 per year or $8,000 if you're 50 or older. The catch-up provision. You don't have to contribute the full $7,000. Many people start at $100, $200, or $500 per month. The important thing is opening the account and starting. How the Roth IRA actually works inside. A common misconception. People think Roth IRA is the investment. It's not. A Roth IRA is a tax wrapper, a type of account. Inside it, you can hold almost anything. Index funds, ETFs, individual stocks, bonds. The Roth IRA just determines the tax treatment. Most people who use a Roth IRA fill it with low-cost index funds, typically a US total market index fund and an international index fund, and let it grow over decades. The combination of compound growth and zero taxes on withdrawal is the core of its power, the flexibility that most people don't know about. A traditional IRA, pre-tax contributions, has strict rules about withdrawals before age 59, 1-2, a 10% penalty plus taxes. The Roth IRA is different. You can withdraw your contributions, not earnings, but the amount you put in, at any time, for any reason, with no penalty. This makes the Roth IRA a secondary emergency fund for some people. The principle is accessible if a genuine emergency exhausts the cash emergency fund, but the default is to leave it untouched and let it grow. This is not an endorsement of treating the Roth IRA as a savings account. The compounding you sacrifice by withdrawing early is significant, but the flexibility matters because it removes the "what if I need it" objection that keeps many people from starting. Where to open one. 3 options, all excellent. Fidelity, no minimums to open, wide fund selection, zero-fee Fidelity index funds available. Best for people who want simplicity. FSROC's zero-expense US Total Market Fund and FSILX, zero-expense International Fund, are the core of most Fidelity Roth IRAs. Vanguard, the original index fund company, low expense ratios, good interface for long-term investors. FETSAX and VIXUS are the standard pair, $3,000 minimum for some funds, or use ETFs with no minimum, VTI and VIXUS. Schwab, competitive expense ratios, strong customer service, no minimums. SWTSX and SYSX for a standard portfolio. All three are SIPC insured and have decades of institutional track record. Pick one. Don't spend more than 20 minutes deciding. This week, if you currently earn below $150,000, single or $236,000, married, open a Roth IRA this week. Go to Fidelity, Vanguard or Schwab. Open the account. Link your bank. Set up a recurring transfer of whatever you can afford. $100 per month is fine. Choose VTSX or FSROX or equivalent. That's the whole action. Everything else, optimizing the allocation, increasing contributions over time, understanding the full rule set, can come later. The most important thing is opening the account and making the first contribution. Every year you don't have a Roth IRA is a year of potential tax-free compounding that you can't get back. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough of exactly how to open a Fidelity Roth IRA, what to click, what to put in each field, and how to set up automatic contributions, that full tutorial is the next video on this channel. And if you're still carrying high-interest debt and wondering whether to pay it off first or invest in a Roth IRA simultaneously, that comparison is linked here.